Hey there, you would not believe what I have found. After extensive research, I have discovered a method that allows you to use stock videos absolutely free. Now let me show you how to do it. Let's say this is the video that we want to save and you need to pay $170 for this video clip so you can use it without watermark. But I have a solution for you. Go to Canva and just create a blank page here. Once the editor is open, go back to the stock video page. And here you see the heading jumping in swimming pool. So just copy this, don't copy the stock video. Just copy jumping in swimming pool and go to elements here and just paste the same thing here, jumping in swimming pool. Now go to videos here and scroll down until you find the same video. And here I found it. Once you found it, you can just simply adjust it in the frame and download your video for free. This is only one example. I will show you another so you don't say it's fake. Go back to the Istock page. Let's choose a different video here. So I choose this one, and here you also need to pay $170 for this video clip. Same here, you need to copy the heading of the video here. Now go to Canva and in elements paste that heading, and now go to videos and search for the same video clip. And here you find it at the top of all the results. So this is how it looks like, and also you see there is no watermark of Istock video. But to use these videos without watermark, you need to purchase Canva Pro. Hold on, I have a method that allows you to get Canva for free. Yes, totally free. And then you can search for any video here without watermark. Open the new tab and search for canva.com here. Now here you need to sign in with your Google account. But hold on, don't sign in with your Google account. Continue with email, and here you need to enter the email. So for this, open the new tab and search for temp mail. Open the first link here. Once the new tab will open, here it will generate an email address for you which will be temporary. Once it generates an email address, just copy the address. Now go back and paste the address here. Click on continue. Now here you need to enter your name. So I'm just typing my name here, and then it will ask for code. So go back to the temp mail, scroll down, and here you see the code. Just copy the code and paste it in Canva. Once you paste the code, click on continue. You signed in a new Canva account. Now here, as you see, it's asking for try Canva Pro, which is definitely a paid version. But we will definitely use Canva Pro for free. So here in brand, as you see, it is asking for try it free for 30 days. So to get Canva Pro, open the new tab and search for Bingo Tingo here. Open the first link. Now here, scroll down until you see the option how to use Canva. Tap on it and it will open the new page, and here again you need to scroll down at the end, and here you see the option free guide, and you can get the file in 47 seconds. And once the time completed, here you see the option download. Tap on it and it will be a magic. Again this page open, and here click on get here, and it will reload this page, and you will get your Canva Pro account for free. Like you can see, this is the same account that we just created, and here Canva is not asking us to buy Canva Pro because we have already landed in Canva Pro. Here I have added an older video that was created before Canva Pro, and here it's saying try it free for 30 days. But now it's not prompting us to buy Canva Pro, which means we are currently using Canva Pro account. So with using Canva Pro account, you can definitely download stock videos without any watermark. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. I will respond to each and every question, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye.